Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of my pre-owned vehicle pick of the week, the 2017 Buick Encore. This vehicle has 4,998 miles on it and has never been reported in any accidents. It is an all-wheel drive vehicle that comes with a 4-cylinder turbocharged engine, your back tinted windows, and 18-inch aluminum wheels. Now, when we get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have our jet black premium leather seating throughout the entire vehicle. When it comes to the front, we have a touchscreen radio, heated seating on both sides, push to talk, and your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.